Hi, welcome to Mobile Gallery. Today I'm gonna present you our new product, Samsung Galaxy Alpha Korean. First, you have to know about the Korean phone. Let's start with the definition of a Korean phone. A Korean phone is a phone made in Korea and support all Korean networks. We are very used to with the brand name Samsung, Nokia, Sony, LG, etc. Different country manufactures these brands mobile phone with a different model number. Suppose we all know about the Samsung Galaxy S2. In Indian phone, the model number of Samsung Galaxy S2 is I9100. But when it manufactures in Korea, its model number has been changed to SHW M250K. Similarly, the configuration is different. In Indian Galaxy S2 has 1 GB RAM, dual core processor and the internal memory is 16 GB. But in Korean model, the RAM is 512 MB, the processor would be same, dual core processor, but the internal memory is 4 GB. This is the main difference between the Indian and the Korean phone. But the look is same as Indian phone. Let's show you our product. Let's start with Samsung Galaxy Alpha. This is Samsung Galaxy Alpha, the box pack. Wow. It's matte finish, blue matte finish. It is 4.7-inch HD display, just look like Indian phone. Look at the edge. The full body is matte finish. Even the sticker, the Samsung sticker is the same. This is the power button. You can switch on or switch off your mobile phone. This is the HD camera. 8 megapixel camera with flash. And this is the volume control button. You can control the volume of the mobile from here. This is the charger port. Here it is the speaker. You can use the microphone here. It's a full HD resolution. Look at that. This is the home button. Okay, let's start something new. This is the menu. This is the menu. It's a flawless. All right. This is the back button, the home button, and the shortcut. Here there is another sub menu. You can also access the call log, the contact, the messages and the web. Right. This is another sub menu. You can access the camera, contact, music, message, internet, phone. Even you can also edit from here, which is very useful to you. You can also edit from here. It's a very nice phone. Right? That's all from our new product from Mobile Gallery. Thank you. Have a great day.